ScreenCloud, it's IT Hero.
Let's spin up those servers.
Take control of your company's IT with IT Hero.
Your ticket is punched. Error code. The loan's due. Tech debt.
My internet's broken.
Did you put in a ticket?
Whoa, cool!
Help your company battle IT issues.
The database is down, IT Hero.
Let's get on a priority one bridge call. What now?
My Wi-Fi doesn't work.
Did you put in a ticket?
Tackle big projects like only IT Hero can.
You busy, IT Hero?
Yes, I'm in the middle of an email address schema change.
My computer says to restart, but I'm not sure what to do.
Wait, are you actually serious? You should restart.
But look out, it's a new project from the boss, Spreadsheeto.
I want to roll out secure and scalable digital signage across the enterprise.
Oh
And my laptop doesn't work.
Help IT Hero roll out digital signage. Let's see, you could mirror a slide deck.
Great. One done. Only 996 to go.
What about distributing USB drives?
Gonna stop you there, bud. That won't scale.
Well, maybe you can spend free time looking for plugins and scripts in a 10-year-old forum.
You're always on that thing instead of spending time with your family.
Cut me some slack, Diane.
I'm taking the kids to my mother's.
My internet is broken.
You busy, IT Hero?
I met someone.
Any update on that digital signage?
My life is falling apart because there's no easy cloud-based digital signage solution.
But wait, IT Hero comes with ScreenCloud.
Effortlessly create, manage, and display digital signage with ScreenCloud.
Yes!
Now you've impressed Spreadsheeto and won your family back.
We love you, IT Hero.
My internet's broken.
Did you put in a ticket?
IT Hero from ScreenCloud.
So to recap, you don't want to click on any links from people you don't know.
What if it's for a free cruise?
It's probably fake.
Oh, is that the 7-day cruise to the Bahamas?
Yeah.
Wait, which of you clicked that link? Oh, f*** my life.